wonder who's gonna come to McDonald's today. Hello. Hello. What would you like? I would like the apples.
I want apples.
There's
Okay.
only one more pack left.
What? Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding.
Those are my apples, Cookie.
Those are my apples.
No, they're my apples.
They're my
I came here first. What do you not
No,
understand?
I'm pretty sure I was here first.
Look, I need those apples because I'm poor.
No, you're not. Did you see in your Lego movies? Look how rich you are. They're mine. Bye.
No. I want this resolved right now. You're gonna call 911, Chica.
Okay.
Call 911 now.
911. Somebody's fighting over apples. Please come to McDonald's immediately. Please. Thank you so much. They're here. They're finally here. My apples, Emmett.
What's going on here?
Mr. Police Officer, Emmett is trying to get my apples.
That's because I was here first.
No, I was here first.
That's why.
Mr. Wasn't I here first, Chica? I don't know.
We're both here at the same time.
We were both here at the same time, so...
So this looks like it's a duel.
A what?
You are going to fight.
What?
I'm just kidding. I'll probably get arrested for that and get my job taken away. I know, it's a sad world. Anyways, I want you to go. I don't even know where I want you to go. So, hon, I want to know, who was here first, though? Who was here first? No, actually, I was here first, and I'm really poor, officer, so, like, can I please have these?
In his movies, do you see how rich he is?
Yes, I do see how rich he is.
And look how poor I am in my movies.
You don't even have any movies, miss.
No.
Okay, so I think you'll get the apples this time.
Yes! I'm a bad loser.
Oh! Man. Well, are you kidding me? Let me tell you my life story, everyone. I just started having these movies because everyone loved how cute I was. But now they're going to stop making movies about me. They've already made 2 movies. So I'm going to become very poor. I just let a cookie steal my apples. So I don't have a job anymore. Unless I make a Lego Movie 3. So yeah. I just got the apple stolen by a cookie. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Comment down below if you would actually like to see a new Lego Movie 3. 3, guys. And we'll be making more videos. My other videos were very cringy. I'll try to make better videos, guys. And we moved into a brand new house. If you've ever watched our old videos, which I highly doubt you have, please, I'm begging you to please like, subscribe, and comment. Please, if you would like to see a new Lego Movie. We're trying to get a couple subscribers. If we get 10 subscribers, I will probably unbox my giant gummy worm and, gummy bear. It's going to be coming on Wednesday. So for 4 days for me, in 4 days. No, actually 3 days. And I'll be unboxing those and making a video. Yeah, you sure will be. And you better like and subscribe. Okay, Emmett, that's enough. Okay. But comment down below if you would love to see a Lego Movie 3. Because personally, I love the Lego movies. Thank you for watching. This took so much time to make. Even though it may not seem like it, we had to keep on trying. And she kept on messing things up. Because she didn't play her role. But please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed. See ya.